Hey, it's Joe here. Today, I'm about to blow your mind with something that most entrepreneurs have no clue about. Did you know that there are AI tools out there that can literally transform your business overnight? Yep, and the craziest part? Hardly anyone is using them yet. But here's the twist, these tools aren't just for tech geeks or big corporations. They're actually perfect for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and even side hustlers who want to work smarter, not harder. In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 AI tools that the most successful entrepreneurs are secretly using to scale faster and make more money. You won't believe how some of these work. And the best part, you can start using them today. Let's dive into the first tool. Imagine being able to automate all your customer interactions without sounding like a robot. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Meet Mokwei, ChatGPT, the AI powerhouse that's changing how businesses communicate. Whether it's drafting emails, handling customer queries, or even creating content, ChatGPT is your go-to. And here's the kicker. It learns from your style. That means your responses sound natural, just like a real person. No more boring, generic replies. But here's the real secret. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. Entrepreneurs are using it to write entire blog posts, social media captions, and even product descriptions, saving hours every week. Now imagine how much time that could free up for you. But hold on, because the next tool is something even more surprising. Ever heard of ElevenLabs? It's like having a professional voice actor on standby, but it's actually AI. The quality of voice generation is mind-blowing. Perfect for creating podcasts, voiceovers, or any audio content without ever stepping in front of a mic. Think about the possibilities. You could turn your written content into engaging audio versions or create voice-guided tutorials for your customers. The best part? It sounds so human that most people wouldn't even know it's AI. Now let's talk about visuals. We all know that in today's world, visuals are everything. You need eye-catching images, whether it's for your website, social media, or marketing materials. And that's where MidJourney comes in. It's an AI-driven tool that generates stunning, custom images with just a few prompts. Seriously, it's like having a professional designer at your fingertips. Imagine this. You're launching a new product, and instead of paying hundreds for a graphic designer, you just type in a few keywords, and bam, your visuals are ready. And not just any visuals, man. We're talking high-quality, unique images that make your brand stand out. But here's the crazy part. These 3 tools are just scratching the surface. The next one is so game-changing that it almost feels unfair to use it. But before we get to that, let me ask you this. What if you could automate your entire content strategy? Enter *copy.ai*. This tool can draft entire blog posts, product descriptions, and even ad copy in seconds. No more staring at a blank page wondering what to write. Just give it a topic and it does the heavy lifting for you. And the quality? Surprisingly good. You can tweak it to match your tone, making it feel personal and relatable, but that's not all. Copy.ai doesn't just save time. It also helps you experiment with different writing styles. Need something more formal? No problem. Want a conversational tone? Done. It's like having a content team on call 24/7. Now I know what you're thinking. These tools sound incredible, but are they actually practical for small businesses? Absolutely. And the next tool proves it even more. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, trends, and even market shifts with just a few clicks. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's possible with Monkey Learn. This tool analyzes text data to give you insights into customer sentiment, emerging trends, and even competitor strategies. You can integrate it with your existing systems and watch as it processes data in real time. Just think about how powerful that is, knowing what your customers want before they even tell you. But wait, there's still one tool that's probably the most under the radar of them all. Most entrepreneurs have never even heard of it, but those who use it, they're miles ahead. Curious? Stick around because this one will change how you think about automating your workflow. And just when you think it can't get any better, I'm about to reveal how these tools can actually work together, creating a seamless, automated system that practically runs your business for you. Don't go anywhere because the real game changer is coming up next. All right, let's pick up where we left off. The tool I was hinting at earlier, it's called Zapier. If you've never used it before, prepare to have your mind blown. Zapier connects your favorite apps and automates tasks between them. Think about it. You can set up automated workflows that link tools like ChatGPT, Google Sheets, and your email marketing platform. Here's a quick example. Let's say you receive customer inquiries through a form on your website. Zapier can automatically take that data, send it to ChatGPT to generate a personalized response, and then email the reply to the customer, all without you lifting a finger. It's like creating a digital assistant that never gets tired or makes mistakes. And here's the kicker. Zapier doesn't require coding. It's all drag and drop, making it accessible even if you're not a tech expert. The efficiency boost this tool offers is unreal. Imagine how much time you'll save when your repetitive tasks just handle themselves. But here's the twist. Pairing Zapier with the other tools we talked about earlier creates a full-on automation powerhouse. Now, let's get a little more advanced. Have you ever wanted to understand your data better without hiring a data scientist? Meet Data Robot. It's an AI platform designed to make predictive analytics accessible to everyone. You feed it your business data, like sales figures, customer interactions, or any other data points, and it predicts trends and patterns. Why does this matter? Because it allows you to make data-driven decisions without needing a degree in data science. Entrepreneurs who use Data Robot are spotting market shifts before they happen and adapting their strategies in real time. It's like seeing the future of your business before anyone else does. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Imagine combining Data Robot's predictions with monkey-learned sentiment analysis. You'd have both a forward-looking and real-time view of your business landscape. That's the kind of edge that sets successful entrepreneurs apart. But I'm not done yet. The next tool is one that most people overlook, but it's an absolute game changer for personal productivity. It's called Notion AI. You've probably heard of Notion as a project management and note-taking tool, but the AI integration takes it to another level. Notion AI can generate task lists, organize your ideas, and even draft documents. Whether you're planning a marketing campaign or mapping out your next product launch, it helps you get from idea to execution faster. Plus, it's perfect for brainstorming because it never runs out of creative energy. Now, let me ask you this. How often do you find yourself bogged down by routine planning and organizing? With Notion AI, you can offload those tasks and focus on what really matters. Growing your business. It's like having a personal productivity coach available 24/7. And just when you thought we couldn't automate any more aspects of your business, here's the final tool. It's called Jasper AI, and it's specifically designed for content marketing. Jasper helps you craft blog posts, social media updates, and even email copy, all optimized for engagement. What makes Jasper different from other content tools? It uses natural language processing to make your content sound human, persuasive, and captivating. You can even instruct it to match a specific tone or style. So, whether you're crafting a sales pitch or sharing an industry insight, Jasper nails the delivery every time. Now, here's the million-dollar question. What happens when you integrate all these tools into one cohesive system? You'll create an AI-driven business engine that practically runs itself. Imagine ChatGPT handling communication, MidJourney designing visuals, ElevenLabs producing audio content, Zapier automating workflows, Data Robot predicting trends, MonkeyLearn analyzing customer sentiment, Notion AI managing your tasks, and Jasper generating marketing content. This isn't just automation, it's full-scale business transformation. Entrepreneurs who master these tools are light years ahead of their competition. The question is, are you ready to join them? So here's what you do next. Start by choosing one or two tools that fit your current needs. and get comfortable with them. Then gradually add more as you build your automated ecosystem. The goal here isn't to overwhelm yourself, but to gradually integrate AI into your everyday operations. And remember, the key to success is consistency. Keep testing new combinations of these tools and keep refining your workflows. You'll be amazed at how quickly your productivity skyrockets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on leveraging AI to supercharge your business. And let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. I'll catch you in the next one.